I'm Kathryn Samson, and today we've reached the seventh in our series where we analyse what makes an outstanding piece of graphic design. It's one of the most recognisable logos of all time, FedEx. The organisation Federal Express made a decision to shrink the name to FedEx, creating a more subtle and sophisticated identity of the brand, and importantly, removing the word federal, which had some negative connotations among the target audience in certain parts of the world. Designed by Landor Associates in 1994, the FedEx logo might appear simple, boring even, to the casual observer. That's until you spot the forward-facing arrow created by the negative space between the E and the X, which so succinctly captures the very nature of the organization's business, moving stuff from A to B without a fuss. The logo's designer, Lyndon Leader, studied political science at Stanford and advertising design at the Art Center College of Design in California. Lyndon began his career with the legendary designer Saul Bass, and afterwards worked in the San Francisco office of Landor Associates as senior design director. In the logo's creation, hundreds of designs were narrowed down to just a handful. Each used the same color scheme, but accentuated white as the dominant color. They maximize the impact of the identity, whilst also maximizing the white backgrounds of their envelopes, their vehicles, and their aircraft. Leader had to create unique letterforms to make the logo, and a blend of Universe 67, bold condensed, and Futura bold provided the starting point. Neither typeface was particularly suited to forcing an arrow into its assigned parking place without torturing the beautifully crafted letterforms of the respective faces, Leader said. I took the best characteristics of both and combined them into unique letterforms. Side by side, you can see, compared to the logo type, the X's in the untouched typefaces appear too large and ungainly next to the E. Leader reduced the size to allow the space between the middle horizontal bar of the E and the corner of the X to close and form the arrow. Like the Think Small VW ad we saw in the first in this series, FedEx is another perfect example of utilizing the negative space to deliver a strong message. It's a testament to the logo's strength that it has remained unchanged in nearly 30 years, no matter where you are, even 35,000 feet up. The FedEx logo is regarded as one of the greatest ever designed and has won many prestigious design awards. It even makes it onto a desert island. The logo is emblazoned on the package that remains unopened throughout the film Castaway, starring Tom Hanks as Chuck. Chuck will get to return the package to its original sender and look back on his time on the island while finally being removed from it. But undoubtedly, the unopened package helped save his life.